In this video, let's install Postman and learn how to use it to test APIs. Postman is one of the most popular tools developers use to send requests to APIs and view responses without writing code. First, open your web browser and go to the Postman website. From there, download the version that matches your operating system. Click Allow to continue the installation process. A new window will pop showing download will begin shortly. The page will auto-close. The system will ask, do you want to allow download on Postman? Click Allow to continue. You have officially downloaded Postman. Open the downloaded window. On pop-up show Postman is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Click Open to launch Postman. A pop-up window will show, do you want to move to application folder? Click the blue button to move the folder. Then, enter your username and password and click OK to continue. Your Postman download just finished. You can now install it and start testing APIs. Open Postman from the Applications folder. Enter your email if you want to save your items. Otherwise, click Continue without an account. The Get option in Postman is used to retrieve data from an API. You can enter https://postman-echo.com/get in the request URL and click Send to see the response. The Post option in Postman is used to send data to an API. Replace Get with Post and use https://postman-echo.com/post, then click Send to see the response. The Put option in Postman is used to update or replace data on the server. Select Put, enter the API URL, add the request body, and click Send. The Patch method in Postman is used to partially update data on the server without replacing the entire resource. The Delete method in Postman allows you to delete data on the server. Enter the API URL, select Delete, and click Send. The Head method in Postman lets you check metadata about a resource, like content type or size, without downloading the full data. The Options option in Postman is used to describe the communication options available for a specific API resource. Select Options, enter the request URL, and click Send to see which HTTP methods the server allows. The Side button in Postman shows the request protocol HTTP as well as information such as WebSocket, Socket ID, GraphQL, gRPC, and MQTT settings. You have successfully downloaded Postman, and you can now install it, launch the app, and start testing APIs. Once installed, you can create requests using different HTTP methods like GET, POST, PUT, PATCH, and DELETE, view responses, organize your work in collections, and even automate tests to streamline your API development workflow.